During lockdowns, many children spent more time on screens, playing video games, watching videos, or doing online lessons. Screens became the nanny for many, keeping kids busy while we worked from home. Some kids had trouble focusing during online lessons, and as a result, important skills like reacting quickly, socializing, and even eye and ear health were affected. Can we blame anyone for this? No, not really. We did the best we could. But now, our kids are trying to catch up on the skills they missed out on. They need help rebuilding their social skills, motor skills, and creativity. And we can help them do that in a fun and exciting way. One fantastic activity to help rebuild those skills is character sketches. This activity allows kids to use their imagination, creativity, and communication skills as they create a character. Whether it's drawing, acting, or describing the character, this activity helps children practice expressing themselves clearly while also improving their fine motor skills as they sketch or act. By creating characters and bringing them to life, kids rebuild their creative thinking and storytelling abilities in a fun, engaging way. Let's rebuild their skills the drama way.